go, parents! Come on, parents! Let's go, me, Maury!
Y'all riding it, Jess?
Wait a minute, it won't be long. They thought about that about 5 minutes ago. We got it! We got it! We got it!
If any kid goes flying up there, I want to get it on video so the paramedics will know what to work on.
That's why I walked over there.
It's not a bad thing for you to be here.
Yeah, my son's one of them somewhere. He's not a ball player.
They got a hold of it now. This thing was pretty big.
They had 2 or 3 teams in softball.